Hi, welcome to my course. My name is Yerke, and in this course, I will guide you step by step through the process of designing a custom bootloader from scratch for STM32 microcontrollers. In this course is designed for engineers and developers who already know how to program STM microcontrollers but want to go deeper in low-level embedded system design. Our main objective is simple: to design a custom bootloader from scratch so the microcontroller can receive, validate, and execute an application file. And for that, we will cover all the essential topics to develop the bootloader. So first, I will start from a question: what is a bootloader? So I will briefly explain what the bootloader is and why we need this software. Then I will switch to UART communication. So we will use it to send data from your computer to the microcontroller and vice versa. Next important topic is cyclic redundancy check. It's a mechanism to detect unwanted data changes during the transmission. So if you get some corrupt data, we can detect that. Along with that, we will develop a Python program to send receive serial data. And all these three topics could be basically helpful in many different projects, because establishing communication between computer and microcontroller is always a big task. And then I will introduce flash memory, how to program, how to store data within the flash memory, and in general I will explain all the memory units within the microcontroller. Finally, we will design our bootloader. At this point, I will explain all low-level embedded topics, including a main stack pointer, vector table, flash memory, reset handler, and all those things. Hope the objective and the content of the course is clear. So let's get started. Next thing, I'm going to explain what the bootloader is.